welcome to French Fried Trades. Today, we're going to be building the Ninja Turtle Party Wagon van here. A quick little build, and based on the original version from back in the day. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to take out a block of coal for the tire here. And wherever you want your front tire to be, get a block of coal down on the road. Then we'll put a stone button on the side of it. And on the other side, on the upper hip box, 2 dark prismarine slabs. Then a block of coal on this side with a button. In front of it, 4 dark prismarine coming across the top. Then we'll swing around behind it, and we'll do 5 long and 4 wide on the upper hip box of dark prismarine slabs to be the base of the car here. Then behind that, a block of coal on each side again. 2 slabs in the middle, a stone button on either side. Then a row of 4 dark prismarine slabs across the top of the back here. Then come up on whichever end you want the front to be here. And on this front end, on each side, 2 yellow concrete and a 2x2 of bedrock in the center. Then we're going to close 4 warped trapdoors on the front of the bedrock blocks. Then we'll swing around behind it, and above each of these tires, we're going to put an outward facing, upside down oak stair. Then on this side here, behind the stair, we'll do 5 yellow concrete, then an upside down oak stair, 4 yellow concrete across the back, an upside down oak stair above this tire, then 2 yellow concrete in front of the stair, then 2 chiseled red sandstone and a yellow concrete. Then up here, 2 yellow concrete, then 5 chiseled red sandstone, then 4 yellow concrete across here, and a full row of yellow concrete across that other side. Now take out lime stained glass, put 4 across the front here, and then a lime stained glass paint on either side behind it. Then on this side, we're going to do a dark prismarine, 2 chiseled red sandstone, then a dark prismarine, a lime stained glass paint, 2 dark prismarine. Then we'll swing around on the back end here, 2 lime stained glass paints across here, then over here 2 dark prismarine, lime stained glass paint, and a full row of dark prismarine right here. Then we'll take out iron bars, put 1 on the side here, 1 on the side here. Then come inside here, fill this whole bottom with netherite. Then we'll do the seats, so take out stairs. We'll put 2 across the back end, then wrap around this corner like this. Up here, we're going to put 2 across here for the front seats. And we'll actually put 1 more right there. Then up here, we're going to put a fence gate on the left, and then a lever. Then just to have a surface to work with for the rest of this, we can go ahead and fill the top middle 2 all in here with lime stained glass panes. And you can actually use any color window you want. I'm just using green here to fit the theme. Now come on top of the back, put 4 temporary blocks across here, and on the upper hip box behind it, 4 acacia slabs. Take out these temporary blocks and put 4 acacia slabs on the bottom. Then we'll take dark prismarine slab, and we're going to cover the whole top of this 4 wide with slabs. And we're going to come out 1 block past the front windshield here. Then above these iron bars, put an acacia fence here and here. Then a sideways acacia fence gate on the front of it like this, and on this side. Now come up front, on the bottom of each side a skeleton skull, above it a glow item frame, and put frog lights in them and turn them like this. Then an acacia button down on this corner and on this side, and then above it on each side we'll do a lever. Then grab a polished blackstone button, put 1 under the window right here, 1 right here. Then we're going to cover all this chiseled red sandstone with acacia buttons. then an acacia button down on this corner and on this side. Then on the back we'll do a glow item frame on either side of the bottom here. And we'll put redstone blocks in them. Then above it, a redstone torch on each side. Then on this bottom middle, 2 warp fence gates and a warp sign on either side. Then a warp sign here and here. Then skip the tire and cover all these slabs with warp signs. Then one here, one here, one on the other side, 2 warp fence gates in the center, then one here, and then a full row of warp signs across these slabs down here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Ninja Turtle band. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.